You cannot shrink your partition in Windows 11, it just doesn't give you the amount you actually wanted to shrink. Welcome to KaiPod Tech, I'll assist you today. There could be several reasons for this problem, so it's possible that the first way you tried didn't fix it. Also, some of the solutions may cause stability issues in Windows, so please don't forget to turn the setting back on after your problem is fixed if you have turned an option off. Go to Settings, System, About, Advanced System Settings, System Protection. Select the volume you wanted to shrink and click Configure. Check Disable System Protection. Click OK. Confirm the pop-up window with Yes. Go to Settings, System, About, Advanced System Settings. Press the Settings button under the Performance section. Go to Advanced tab and click Change. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives if it's checked. Select the volume you wanted to shrink from the options below, check No Paging File, and click Set. Confirm the pop-up window and click OK. Go to Control Panel, Hardware and Sound, Power Options, choose what the power button does. Press Change Settings that currently unavailable, and remove the checkmark from Turn on Fast Start. Save the changes. Go to Settings, System, About, Advanced System Settings. Click the Settings button under the Startup and Recovery section. Change Write Debugging Information option to None. Launch the Disk Cleanup tool and select the volume you wanted to shrink. Click Clean Up System Files button and clean up files such as cache, Windows Update leftovers, etc. With the Defragment and Optimize Drives tool, select the volume you wanted to shrink and perform defragmentation by clicking the Optimize button. If the volume is on SSD, it will perform a trim. After all these solutions, your partition is likely ready to shrink as much as it's empty. If it's not, please don't hesitate to comment below, I will help you to fix it. Please leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Have a great day.